The fact that being a teacher has a huge responsibility to create better civilization and even sometimes is less appreciated do not stop me from being a teacher. Well, that's because teaching has been always my call. The biggest satisfaction in my life is when I know that my role gives an immense impact on many people's lives. Therefore, my motto has always been from classroom to the world. Joining this regional workshop will definitely enrich my knowledge on globalizing higher education as I'm going to meet other wonderful participants from different countries. I am truly excited to discover their strategies and approaches to prepare university students to face 5.0 era and arrange some international collaborations regarding education. Well, I am Uswatun Hasana, the Secretary of English Education Department, Bina Bangsa University. I am ready to join YSEALI Regional Workshop to create bigger impact on higher education in Indonesia.